Hello everyone, my name is Bernie and welcome to my channel Bernie to the Rescue. Today's video is about Wells Fargo and the billions they were recently ordered to pay to past consumers. If you like the content and find it helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, or simply share it with a friend or family member whom you love and may find it helpful. Thanks. Now let's get into the video. Wells Fargo has been ordered to pay over $3.7 billion by the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau as redress to consumers and a civil penalty for legal violations in its biggest product lines, including mortgages, auto loans, savings and checking accounts, and online banking services. The CFPB found that Wells Fargo had unlawfully repossessed vehicles, wrongly repossessed homes, misapplied loan payments, charged surprise overdraft fees, among other illegal activities, causing financial harm to millions of customers. Wells Fargo is also required to stop charging surprise overdraft fees and ensure auto loan borrowers receive refunds for certain add-on fees. Auto loan mismanagement. Wells Fargo was found to have systematically mismanaged automobile loans, leading to over $1.3 billion in harm across more than 11 million accounts. Some of the ways the bank mishandled auto loans include applying payments to interest and fees rather than the principal balance of the loan, improperly charging fees and interest, and wrongfully repossessing vehicles. Wells Fargo is required to provide over $1.3 billion in redress to affected consumers. Mortgage modification denials. The bank improperly denied thousands of mortgage loan modifications over a 7-year period, which led to some customers losing their homes to wrongful foreclosures. Wells Fargo is required to provide nearly $200 million in redress to affected consumers. Surprise overdraft fees. Wells Fargo unfairly charged surprise overdraft fees on debit card transactions and ATM withdrawals, even when consumers had enough money in their account to cover the transaction at the time the bank authorized it. The bank is required to provide over $200 million in redress to affected consumers. Frozen accounts. Wells Fargo froze over 1 million consumer accounts based on a faulty automated filter's determination that there may have been a fraudulent deposit, even when other actions could have been taken that would not have harmed customers. Consumers affected by these account freezes were unable to access their money in accounts at the bank for an average of at least 2 weeks. Wells Fargo is required to provide over $500 million in redress to affected consumers. Consumers who are eligible for redress under the CFPB's order will be notified by Wells Fargo in the coming months. The bank is required to provide restitution to affected consumers within 90 days of the order's effective date. If you believe you may be eligible for redress but do not receive a notification from Wells Fargo, you can contact the bank directly to inquire about your eligibility. There are several ways that consumers can protect themselves from situations like this. 1. Research the company before making a purchase. Do your due diligence and research the company before making a purchase. Look for reviews, ratings, and complaints about the company to help you make an informed decision. 2. Use a credit card for purchases. Paying with a credit card provides an added layer of protection as you can dispute the charge if the product or service is not delivered as promised. 3. Be wary of deals that are too good to be true. If a deal seems too good to be true, it probably is. This information may be useful if you need to dispute a charge or file a complaint. 5. Report fraudulent activity. If you suspect fraudulent activity, report it to the appropriate authorities. Six. Stay informed. Stay up to date on the latest scams and fraud schemes. In conclusion, banks play a crucial role in our lives, providing a wide range of financial services that we rely on every day. When choosing a bank, it's important to consider factors such as fees, interest rates, customer service, and security. By doing your research and taking steps to protect yourself, you can ensure that you choose a bank that meets your needs and helps you achieve your financial goals. Additionally, it's important to keep up to date on any news or changes related to your bank to ensure that your funds are safe and secure. If you have any tips that could help someone else protect themselves and keep their finances safe during this time, please share in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload another video. Thank you for watching.